totally.
Then blow the leg. The dozer's going to go.
Oh, well, just reformat the cart.
So we need to time this real well. I guess everybody, you ready, Curtis? Let's give us a second here.
Now we want to talk on the third horn, blast it. Second after the first third horn.
Yes, please. 3 blasts, very little hesitation, and then the pop. The blast is the clear, and then pop it.
Doing 2 or 3 horns?
3 horns.
3 horns?
3 horns, please. 3 horns, slight hesitation, blow it. And 3 horns.
Awesome.
We did it.
Awesome job, guys.
Let's eat!
Where's the beer? That was awesome. I think I got
There you go, guys. There you go.
I didn't get that
awesome.
very good. Look at the smoke.
Boy, when you can feel that compression up here, that is one hell of a lot of energy.
That was a...
That's one thing I didn't expect. I knew it was going to be loud, but just feeling it in your chest. The question is, did we get it all? But you know what? They kept stopping it, so we have to see.